Yeah, what I have here is a few 3 large ring sets. From a trial and error. See which one give me the best print. One at the top is so all of them didn't come out good. I think it's one at the top too, so I'm putting them right there. That's one of the tops too. I think the rest of these is flops. I don't even say thread locks. What did that say? And this was too small. Can't really read that. So that's flop. And the words coming off on this one, it's flop. But the charm came cricket, print fail. I can still fix it. Still a flop. Little dog chain came out good. That came out good. Charm, the bigger the better. And the keychain came out good. And last but not least, the coin came out good. Nice and thick too. Reserve your coin now. DM me to reserve a coin. It'll come out. I can't tell you the material, but it'll be all solid hard metal. Not steel. Definitely won't be steel. It'll be a precious metal. All right, y'all. Have a good day.